Yeah. We're now in Florence, transitioning to a train to go to Rome. The ride was about an hour and a half. Not too bad, but couldn't get into the restroom because one of the train employees went in there, locked the door, and stayed in there for like 20 minutes. I don't think she was using the restroom. She seemed like she didn't want to work, but it was inconvenient and very inconsiderate of the rest of us who actually had to use the restroom. But whatever, I'm gonna find one soon, and we're gonna get to Rome, a city we've been to. This will have been my 5th time to Rome, and so looking forward to seeing it again. This right here?
It's not up yet.
Okay.
9487.
You want my autograph?
I'm good.
You're good.
I'm good.
Even though it's a very big city, tourism is the #1 industry here?
Yeah, tourism in Rome is the #1.
I see.
So maybe in other city like Milano, like Firenze, like Torino, the tourism is not so big like here. Because
Okay.
Milano is more business city.
Okay.
It's not so touristic like Rome.
Okay.
There is not so much. It's nice city, but not so much to see like in Rome.
Okay.
In Rome, everything, the shops, the pizza, who sells pizza, everything is with tourism.
I see.
If I don't work, nobody works here. It's a chain, you know.
I see.
Oh, Jesus, come on, this is done. You're fidging, man.
Guys, we're in Roma.
Roma.
That's like every kid's dream, right?
Yeah, that's why I love it. It's like an entire room kind of.
Yeah.
Up here.
Buongiorno from beautiful Roma. Today, I'm going to get a PCR test so I can catch a flight tomorrow back to the United States, because I have 4 days of speaking. 3 of them will be virtual, but 1 of them is in person, but it'll give me time to really finish my dissertation. But after this test, we're gonna walk around Rome and explore and see everything this beautiful city has to offer, and eat some good food and have a great day. So good news is I got a negative COVID test. I'm clear to board my flight tomorrow, I hope. But now we're just gonna explore the beautiful city of Rome.
That's not too bad.
It wasn't too bad, right?
We got here one more time. Oh, that's nice.
That's nice. Yeah. Oh, we're good, man.
Where you from?
What's up, LA? UA? USA?
Texas, Dallas.
Nice.
First time here?
No. 5th time. No, we're good, boss. No, man, please.
For my heart, like no morning, because you know what I give this.
No, brother.
You know why?
God bless you.
You know what I give this.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we should.
Good. He done did that a few times.
He tossed it too, expecting us to catch it. No, like,
I caught it too. He was smooth with it. I put it back in his pocket though.
You did?
I did.
hey, that's the thing.
Game, recognized game.
No, we should have.
He laughed. Yeah, he laughed.
Look down there. Look at it.
Huh?
People down there.
We're trying to get down there.
But anyway.
Wait, you know what? We go down this way.
Yeah. Boom. Now we go back.
I can find any restaurant. Where are you from? Where are you from? I have this bracelet. This is very nice. I give to you for free. I put in your pocket. $5. $5.
Where are you from?
It's still in my friend.
You guys, what we have behind us is the Arch of Constantine. Constantine the Emperor. That's,
Are you
and we have the Colosseum. Oh, you want to get it? Get you some.
Man, they're not even ready for me. Say boom.
They're not even ready for you.
I'm vlogging.
The Arch of Titus behind us, the Colosseum. This is the Roman Forum. This is where Julius Caesar was buried. This is where Cicero delivered some of his. Oh, that's right, Demosthenes. Cicero delivered some great speeches. He was a master orator, statesman, and I think it's here where they nailed his tongue to the podium.
What?
After they killed him.
Oh, that's messed up.
Because his mouth was so dangerous. So we have behind us the Arch of Titus, and this thing has tremendous significance when it comes to history, because on that arch you see the Jewish temple being raided, and you see the Ark of the Covenant being carried away by Roman soldiers. And Jesus predicted that the temple would be destroyed in AD 30. And so in AD 77, the temple was destroyed and raided. And we have historical record right here validating it, substantiating it, verifying it. Titus, the emperor of Rome, destroyed Herod's temple. That's the Arch of Titus.
Oh.
And on that arch, there is an engraving of the Roman soldiers destroying the Herod's temple. It's inside that arch, so it's historical proof where that happened. And this is the guy who did it. So Herod's temple, this is one of your history cards, destroyed by Titus. And that's Titus's book. That's Titus's like monument celebrating his military accomplishments.
Wait, so was Titus a good or bad?
I mean, it just depends how you look at it. Whose side were you on?
Even inside, you can see a lot of gold.
Most of the Roman emperors were bad, and when it came to Christianity. So look at it like this: the Roman Empire was like the police who was over like Jerusalem, right? And so they were a little bit oppressive. No, thank you. They were a little oppressive, right? No, thank you. All right. Something you should go and love yourself. Para-pa-pa, para-pa, para-pa-pa, para-pa, para-pa-pa, 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 para-pa, para-pa-pa, para-pa, para-pa-pa, para-pa-pa. I remember crossing the street so many times with you, my mom, with the kids.
It's so fast.
It spells out "That's a man." I'm dead serious. We read some of the letters. That's a man.